What's the meaning of bandicoot rat? Bandicoot rat. Bandicoot rat.
Bandicoot rat. Bandicoot rat. The bandicoot rat is a type of rodent found in India, Southeast Asia, and parts of China. There are several species of bandicoot rats, all of which have small, pointed snouts and long, slender tails. They are typically grayish-brown in color and can range in size from just a few inches to over a foot in length. Bandicoot rats are known for their destructive behavior, particularly in agricultural settings where they can wreak havoc on crops and cause significant damage. Despite their reputation as pests, these rats play an important role in their ecosystems as prey for larger predators like snakes and birds of prey.